What is mind training? What is mind training? Which aspect of the mind is worked on during this training? How is it different than, let us say, training your focus, memory, or problem-solving capacities? Well, mind training is training your mind. It starts with, how you see things, your perception, your way of thinking, how you see things, how you value things. What is this? So mind training starts with learning. Learning the facts. Like, for instance, you are very upset with something. You are very angry with somebody, and then because when you are angry, then you feel uncomfortable. You feel bad. It makes you sick in the long run, so it's not good for you. So therefore, you first see, why I'm angry? Because I don't want to suffer. I don't want to be harmed. That's why I'm angry, because this person did that, which was not good for me. But then you say, okay, this person did that, but is it better to let go of that and not get angry for you, or is it better that you get angry? Then you know that it is better that you don't get angry, because that's better for me. So therefore, I change my way of saying. It's not good to get angry. If he does something not so good, or says not so good, okay, if I can change that person to a better way of saying, or do something so that it doesn't happen, that's good. But most importantly, I should not get so much hurt or so much angry and upset. So this understanding, this knowledge, this way of seeing can change my way of reacting. That's mind changing. That's mind training. Yeah? And in this way, actually, everything, the way we are acting, reacting, lots of problems is because of our wrong way of seeing, or our little bit, not truly understanding things. We can change that. Then also, because, we have been reacting in a certain way for a long time, we do that, but actually that's not the right way, and that's not good for us. So therefore, if we understand deeply, then we can do the positive thing, the right thing, the correct thing, the true way. We remind ourselves again and again and again, and then it changes our habits, and we don't react in this way anymore. That's also, mind training. So therefore, through mind training, we try to find the way, the true way, the right way, the correct way, the beneficial way for everybody. And then also we work on our habitual tendencies, we work on our perceptions, we work on our emotions, we work on our, how we experience things. So actually the things can change completely. Like we can change even our brain that we just discussed before. That before people thought that, brains are as it is and it never changes. But now, through changing our way of reacting and our way of seeing and our way of feeling and training on that, actually the brain itself changes, what nowadays people call, neuroplasticity. So therefore, we change not only our mind and our reactions and our emotions, our habitual tendencies, but actually we change our body also through the changing of the mind. And that is, that's mind training. It is, of course, starts with training our focus. It will change, problem solving, situations, and also it can change lots of things, including maybe our memory and how we experience things, how we see things, like as I said before, if you train your mind in a good way, our mind can see or can experience through time and space, so it's much bigger than just our body.